Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your Philips T8505 or any 8000 series wireless Bluetooth headphones. In case they're not connecting to Bluetooth, they're connecting to the wrong device, they keep disconnecting, you're only getting sound out of one ear, etc. You can go ahead and do a hard reset on them. You will need to repair them with your device. But anyways, if you want to do this, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is the first thing you should do is just go to whatever device you had them paired with and have them forget this device and then turn the Bluetooth off. And then once that's happened, you can come over to these and you can actually reset these earbuds individually. So what you need to do is just press and hold the back of the earbud for greater than 25 seconds. So just go ahead and hold it for 30 seconds. And that will reset the earbud. And then once that happens, then you can go ahead and do it on the other one. And then you can go ahead and turn them back on and repair them with whatever device you would like to use them with.